Jatukanji Patel Noor, and I'm a proud student of Podar World College from the batch of 2020. Nicole Kidman once said that when life gives you those twists and turns, just hold on and off you will go. Podar was such a plot twist in my life story, but I would say it was a really positive one. From being a nobody in the class to being the Senate member for 2 consecutive years, for passing out as a first class honor student, being the first official chairperson of the CSR Club of Podar. I've done it all and it's been a game changer in my life. Podar has taught me self confidence and it has made me realize that there's no dream that can't come true. All you need is dedication, hard work, and a will to complete what you had started. When I meet people today, they tell me that they've seen this change. They see this responsible leader in me. They see this girl who's always determined to rise, and I'm so grateful because all I smile and I say is I'm thankful and I'm so grateful for my parents and my Podar family who's made me the person I am today. These 3 years in Podar has been more like a self realization journey along with academics, and it has helped me build all the attributes that I lacked. To conclude, I would like to say that I'm really thankful to Dr. Mrs. Vandana Lilla to setting up such an amazing college for us students wherein we not only grow academically but even socially, mentally, and intellectually and get ready to conquer the whole world. And I'm really, really grateful to be nurtured under such an amazing faculty that has always been the biggest support and guidance throughout these 3 years. And lastly, I'm really, really thankful to my friends who've made this journey worth remembering. Trust me, this plot twist was worth every bit of it. Thank you.
A very good evening and a warm welcome to our Dean, Mrs. Vandana Lulla ma'am, and to our non-presenter. I would first like to congratulate all my classmates for completing this CABM course with flying colours. I would like to thank all my module tutors, module leaders and my heads for helping me throughout this course, and without whom I could not have graduated successfully with first class honours. Now I would like to share my BABM journey in Podar till now. These 3 years have been nothing but a wonderful and a joyful journey of learning, hands-on experiences, fun field visits, organizing and managing events, and knowledgeable expert talks. What stood out the most for me was our last year, which was completely application-based and which tested and strengthened my knowledge. This college has molded me into the best versions of myself, and I just couldn't give up on this, and hence I am pursuing my international MBA from here itself. Wishing all my batchmates a future filled with success, happiness and joy. May all keep shining and become the best versions of yourself. Cheers 2020. Thanking you. Signing off, Urja Pasi.
Good evening, Dean Dr. Mrs. Vandana Lulla, faculty members, students and parents. My name is Devrat Thakkar. Coming from an economics background, the BA Honours Business Management degree has helped me to strengthen various skills such as problem solving skills, presentation skills, numerical skills, leadership skills, and the list goes on and on through various events such as Impulse, which is the intercollegiate event, Independence Day and Teachers Day. Today, I am proud to say that I have secured a first class honours through my dedication and hard work, as well as with the support of my faculty members and friends. I would like to thank the University of Wolverhampton and Podar World College for giving me this opportunity to shape my career to the best of my abilities, and I also would like to congratulate my fellow batchmates. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Preeti Gupta and my journey of Podar has been educational and pleasant. Being an assignment-based curriculum, it has helped me improve various skills including presentation skills, communication skills as well as organizational skills. I also got opportunity to do internships which has helped me gain insight of the corporate world. Having achieved first class honours, it has helped me receive offer letters from various universities. I would like to thank my teachers, parents as well as my friends who have helped me achieve this. Thank you.
At the start of my journey with Podar World College, I couldn't have imagined that I would graduate with the first class. The immense support from my friends, family, and especially the faculty of Podar has helped me achieve this feat. On this occasion, I would like to share how I have been through these years. At the start, I felt like I should achieve a distinction in every module of every semester. But then, as soon as my grades started degrading, I realized that I can't be a jack of all trades. I had to change my approach and I had to be a master of few. I started approaching my studies in a way where I could get distinction in two and a merit in one. That approach really helped me as I really understood what I really want to do. I really understood my abilities and my qualities. I wouldn't say that this is the ideal approach for everyone to follow, but then it did work well for me. One main thing I learned from doing this course is time management skills. My time management skills at the start of this journey were close to nothing as they are as of now. The timeline of the submissions and assessments can be a little bit frustrating here and there, but then those challenges have to be looked upon as opportunities to learn. I surely did learn a lot in Podar World College. I have a few
Greetings, respected faculty, dear parents, and my fellow students. My name is Janaifa Setna, and on this occasion, I'd like to reflect upon my journey at Podar World College with the University of Wolverhampton. Before I begin, I'd like to extend gratitude to Dr. Mrs. Vandana Lulla, without whom this educational experience wouldn't be possible. At Podar, I was greeted by warm, enthusiastic teachers, without whom I won't be receiving my first class honors today. They labored to provide us with a great education, pushing us to do our best even on the days we didn't want to learn, all while taking the extra time to build relationships with us that for some will last a lifetime. To these wonderful teachers, I say thank you. I would like to thank my pillar of strength, my parents, who never gave me any idea that I couldn't do whatever I wanted to do or be whoever I wanted to be. Today, we all bid goodbye to the people with whom we've made some of life's best memories. I am certain that with some friends whom I sit alongside this graduation day will be my friends for life. These years have been phenomenal at Podar, and with that, I thank you and congratulate the class of 2020. We finally did it.
Hello everyone, my name is Dakshwara and I have recently graduated from Podar World College in Bachelor's in Business Management with First Class Honours. The reason that I'm making this video is to highlight the positive change that I've gone through the past 3 years that I've spent with Podar. My experience with Podar World College has been thrilling, if I had to sum it up in one word, because I've learned something new and innovative every time that I've stepped into the college, which was pretty exciting. I'd like to take this opportunity to also thank all the teachers that have helped me and all of us collectively to make our course as simple and understandable as possible, especially during the last 5 months, which were unfortunately spent in a lockdown. They have been pretty much active all the time in terms of communication, even during the weekends, which was super helpful for all of us in order to complete our assignments on time. I would also like to let all the faculty members and staff members of Podar World College know that I'll be forever grateful for shaping my future and the person that I am today. I don't think I would be able to get first class honors if it weren't for my teachers' assistance. Lastly, I would just like to congratulate all my classmates for successfully graduating, and we did it. Thank you and take care.
Respected Dean Vandana ma'am, teachers, parents and my friends, I am Aditya Tribhuvan. I would like to share with you my experience at Podar and how I've achieved first class honours which has brought me where I am today. I want to tell you an inspirational quote of my idol MS Dhoni. He said that process is more important than result. My journey at Podar was exceptional. From being the introvert guy in year 1 to expressing my ideas throughout year 2 and year 3, my personality has evolved and I'm able to expand my horizons all over thanks to the support of my module tutors and coordinator. Unfortunately, during this pandemic, our lectures were conducted online, but hats off to the teachers for their great support and guidance. They have helped me to meet timely submissions and deadlines. I would like to take this opportunity to personally thank each and every teaching faculty of Podar, my parents and above all, God for guiding me.
My journey with Podar has been like a roller coaster ride. The never-ending opportunities the courses offered has definitely helped me to transform myself. Graduating in this difficult time wasn't easy, but all thanks to the most supportive faculty who treated us like our own. I've made the most beautiful memories and I'll cherish them forever. And Podar will always have a special place in my heart.
A very good evening to one and all present here. I am Sonia Nigam, a proud student of Podar World College. I spent the last 3 years at Podar shaping my future. So the day I found out I received the first class honors, there were no bounds to my happiness. Finally, all those all-nighters, staying back after lectures and studying in the library paid off. All thanks to my teachers for their support and their understanding and all those feedbacks that I received on my assignments. Well, in the last few months, I have received offer letters from 11 different universities. But I turned them all down and I joined the IMBA program at Podar, solely because of the leadership of our beloved Dr. Mrs. Vandana Lulla, our chief advisor, academic heads, and teachers, and also that the sense of belonging that I get at Podar World College. I believe we get a global experience and many opportunities, and I can't wait for the roller coaster of events this year has to offer. Lastly, I'd like to thank all my friends for being there for me and supporting me throughout my journey, and all the best for your future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vyom Shah and I passed my BA/BM with a first class. And I would like to thank everyone, including teachers and Dr. Vandana Lulla, for providing such a beautiful course. And I will definitely miss this college and this course and my fellow mates. And I wish all the best to all of the students who've passed.